How to analyze Google Analytics data from Shopify store. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we're supposed to analyze all of our data from Google Analytics in our Shopify store. So to do this, what we are going to want to do is we're going to come over to our Shopify app store, and here we're going to go ahead and get the Google Analytics widget or extension. So you have all these basic things like Google and YouTube, you have Google Analytics 4, etc. So you can choose to add the main Google and YouTube widget because, this gives you most of the things to check. Okay. But I would more prefer that you get some application like Analyzly because Analyzly is basically a Google Analytics 4 application and it allows you to analyze everything with Google Analytics 4. And it's totally free as well, which is the fun part. So please do make sure to go ahead and install this application and start getting insights from your store. As you can clearly see, once it's activated, you log in with your Google account, add in all your APIs, and you're going to get standard reports. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.